Let's talk about the latest launched ITEL smartphone RS4 with high-end racing design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus punch-hole dynamic bar display. Resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 94% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear, that includes 50 megapixel main camera with 10x digital zoom, along with AI camera. For selfies, it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ITEL OS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.54 by 75.69 by 8.15 mm, and it weighs around 198 grams, and the color options Lurex black, silvery white, elegant beige colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL RS4 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 35,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 45,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ITEL RS4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.